Okay, number 6 says graph the function based upon the given information. So we're giving you intervals. Remember, all of these are not points. These are intervals. So from negative infinity to 0, 2 to infinity, 0 to 2. They are not points on the graph. They just happen to be not included versus the brackets, which are included, if that helps you remember. Okay? So, I'm going to start with these two little bad boys down there. If it's greater than 0, remember, we're above. And if it's less than 0, we're below. So we'll go in far left to far right. Negative infinity to positive infinity. So first things first. Negative infinity to negative 1. So all the way to from the left, to negative 1, it says we are less than 0. So we're negative over here. Okay. Then start from negative 1. From negative 1 to 2, we are greater than 0. From negative 1 to 2, we're greater than 0, which means we are above the x-axis. And the last one, it says from 2 to infinity. So from 2, the point we just put, all the way to infinity, it's also above. So it doesn't cross the x-axis there. It probably comes down and touches it and goes on back up, since it's positive on both sides. Okay? Alright. Also, one thing to note, since it's negative over here, the graph is coming up from the left, not down from the left. Okay? It's a big key difference. Alright, second half. Where is it increasing and decreasing? Remember, increasing is anything that looks like it's going up. Decreasing is anything that looks like it's going down. Okay? It doesn't have to be a perfect straight line, it's just what it is. So, negative infinity to positive infinity. From negative infinity to 0, we're increasing, so we're going up. So we'll start down here, negative infinity to, we get to 0, and we'll level off once we get to x is 0. Because remember, these things don't go, they go, from 0 to 2, it goes down. So 0 to 2 goes down. And right at 2, remember, it's on that axis. So we got to stop at that point. And then from 2 to infinity, it's increasing again. So from 2, we'll pick it up right there, 2 to infinity, it's headed back up. All right? So that's what your graph's going to look like. Now, again, you may draw it much more dramatic, or you may draw it much mellower. Whatever. We're just looking for a rough idea of what it looks like. So, last two questions. The degree. Well, there's only 2 humps, 2 turns. So the degree has to be at least 3 or more. And the leading coefficient is positive because it's going up and to the right. Okay.